Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on CoinStats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinStats website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on to proceed with logging into your account. Now after you log in using your credentials, if you wish to change your username, simply click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on your username. You will then be taken into your profile settings page, from which you will see the username section right underneath personal data. You can simply click on your username section and then type in your desired username that you wish to change into. Then simply click on the save button and now your new username will immediately be changed. You will also receive a notification that your username has been updated. You can come back to this menu anytime and change your username to anything that you wish at any time that you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.